Hi friends, so today we will discuss suppose if we pass any query parameter like first name and last name in our URL, then how to process these using query params and like basically doing a simple concatenation of first name and last name using DataWeave. So here I have taken a listener having uh, get method, and the configuration if you want to check like 80 81 like that, and I have taken a data transform message. In that we will do, so what we will do, we want to have the full name. So what we will do, so suppose I am passing first name in first name param and last name in last name param. So how I will do, attributes dot query params dot first name. Now I want a space in between, so like this. Then again concatenate attributes dot query params dot last name. So now this is done. Now I have this already running, so we'll go to ARC and we will type the request. So localhost colon 8081 is our port, our get request. Then we will have first name equal to max and last name equal to mule. So in ideal scenario, what should happen is like we should get first name last name concatenated, and it must display as full name equal to colon max mule. So we will send the request and we'll check what happens. So here you can check you got full name as max mule, and here is our data view code for the same. So like full name attributes, so whenever you are passing any query params, you always need to access it like attributes dot query params dot the name. So here I have passed two, first name and second one is last name. So thank you for watching.